Hello, my name is Catherine Elliott, the founder and owner of My Breast Friend. I'm so delighted to be here to celebrate Natalie from Pink Hibiscus stocking my products. Natalie has been an integral part of the development of these beautiful products. She helped me choose the ingredients and has also manufactured them and put so much love and care. So I'm very, very grateful. A little bit about me. The idea for these products came after I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2019, and I was actually sitting in the chemotherapy chair thinking about how disconnected I had become from my body and that I hadn't been tending really to self-checks or self-care. So the idea for these body lotions and body washes was really to act as a reminder with some beautiful self-check instructions on the labels that are really there as part of your normal bathroom routine. So I'm incredibly proud of these beautiful products, and I'm so delighted that Natalie and her team are supporting me. The other great thing about these products is that a donation from every product sold goes to the Breast Cancer Network of Australia, an organisation that is close to my heart. So thank you so much. I hope you love them as much as I do.